Okay, we're going to unbox Mega Select. Blue, white, purple, Prism Crack Ice. Mega retail exclusive. Retail debut. Here are the chasers. Okay, let's do it. So, get that. Chase that. Okay. Nada.
Smells like a teen spirit.
Put behind. 1,
Edward's the
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shall begin. First pack. Okay. Ooh, nyeka akong. Okay. Concourse again. Damian Lillard. Okay, better. See the back first. Premier. Saben Lee. Okay. Silver. Tricolor.
Saben Lee.
What is the crack ice in this? Toppin. Crack ice.
Ay, Toppin talaga.
Slip him up.
Si Obi.
Slip him up.
Parang may crack ice. Wala pala kami ganyan.
Slip him up.
Yung mga crack ice. Sa select ko.
Okay, second pack.
Sige.
Now they go. Okay. Bam. Adebayo. Okay. Brook Lopez. Concourse Premier. Jalen Smith. Okay. Crack Ice. Chris Paul. Okay. Nice. Crack Ice.
Kabukan mo
Okay.
Auto.
Okay. Third pack. Brandon Ingram. Oops. Silver. Oops, look like Toppin again. Silver. Okay, slip him up first. Slip him up.
Same like the hobby, but silver.
Oops, I can see that. Crack Ice. Wait. Brandon Ingram. Select company. Bradley Beal. Okay.
Courtside.
Premier. Concourse. Facundo. Okay. Bradley Beal. Courtside.
Then Facundo.
Fourth pack. Tobias Harris. Concourse. Ben Simmons. Premier. Cam Reddish. Second year. Crack Ice. RJ Barrett. Second year. Okay.
Not bad.
I'll take that.
Auto, please. Zoo.
Tyler Terry, rookie. Ricky Rubio is back. Green, tricolor. Darius Garland. Crack Ice. Wizards, Rui. Deni. Crack Ice. Nice.
Premier level.
Yes, sir. Slip him up. Oh, so far we got the hits. We will put here top 3 hits. Evenly here.
Crack Ice Toppin.
Crack Ice Toppin. Okay. Continue. 6-pack.
Donovan
LaMarcus Aldridge. Victor Oladipo. Concourse. Uy, Select Company. Silver. Donovan Mitchell, yes. Yes, sir. Mislead him up real quick. Oops. Concourse. Donovan Mitchell. Saben Lee.
Yan yung mga piece ko. Killian Hayes, Isaiah Stewart, 7. Saan lang si Sadiq Bowie.
Send him up. It's fine, gentlemen.
Parang galing
Cover.
Sorry.
Okay.
Galing.
7 pack. Okay. Tyrese Maxey. RC. Thunder. Poku. Yes, Poku. Back to back. Koshevsky. CB map. Behind is Donovan Mitchell. Yes. Concourse. Crack Ice. Harrison Barnes.
Hits.
Poku. Nice Poku.
For the kill.
Nice Poku. Put here. Okay. Last but not the least, guys. Okay. Kemba Walker. Concourse. Xavier Tillman. Numbers. Damian Lillard. Nice. Okay. We got Donovan Mitchell, guys. Nice. Numbers. Not numbered, but it's numbers. Nice. Nice. Insert parallel. For the last one, Kyle Lowry. Okay, thank you guys. We see the hits first.
Review.
Okay. So we got this guys, Saben Lee, Toppin, Deni, Toppin. We got Poku, Donovan Mitchell, another Saben Lee, and these guys. Kyle Lowry, Damian Lillard, Harrison Barnes, Donovan Mitchell, may PC, Tyrese Maxey, Jalen Smith, Chris Paul, Darius Garland, Terry, RJ Barrett, Rookie, and Crack Ice. Facundo. RC, Facundo, Campazzo. Okay, thank you guys. Mamba out, Tunisius out, TV out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.